Good afternoon, everyone. This is the Mastermind Millennial channel. My name is EJ, and today I want to do a really quick update about a video I did that talked about Cal Yartlett, who was a young musician from Tennessee who was killed by 5 young black youths. Now, all 5 didn't kill him, but they were all co-conspirators, and they were all present at the time of the crime, and they were all arrested at the same time also. According to reporting, these children are runaways. And this is just a very unfortunate situation on both sides. Unfortunate because a young man died for absolutely no reason. According to reporting, they wanted his car. He said no, he got shot, they ran off. You know, now these kids will be in the system for a very long time. But let me read the report before I start to ramble. The name of this report is called Teens Charged in Cal Yartlett Shooting Told to Leave Courtroom After Laughing Talking from the Tennessean.com. To sum this all up, this article doesn't really give us any new details about the shooting itself. What it does give us details about is eyewitness reports and what happened after the shooting. So let me just read this first part. It says, a witness saw a group of juveniles approach Nashville musician Cal Yartlett with a gun just before he was fatally shot, according to the lead detective in the case. This is a quotation. He actually saw them go up to the victim and saw the gun being held out and heard a shot, according to Detective Melody Saxon, who stated this on Thursday during a hearing. That has to be last Thursday, the 21st. After the neighbor dug down, according to the detective, he heard another shot. Interesting. Saxon's testimony during a detention hearing for 3 of the 5 juvenile suspects shed more light on investigators' understanding of what happened to Yartlett. The 3 suspects, aged 13, 14, and 15, sat in the front row talking and laughing loud enough that the magistrate eventually said they should leave. So, the only reason I bring this up, one is because the Tennessean happens to be the only mainstream, well, the only media outlet that is keeping up on this. 2 is that these are children, and that's another tragedy. Cal Yartlett did not have to die if someone was taking proper care of these children. I truly believe that. I do. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but it's just a sad situation. According to reporting, these kids are runaways. Still does not make an excuse for killing a man for his car. Tragic, tragic, tragic. He's dead. He can't come back. And their lives are ruined. So this last part in the article I'm going to read, it says, suspects behaved like they were on the playground. The suspects talked to each other, laughed, and turned around throughout the hearing. At multiple points, their lawyers and court staff told them to be quiet. Toward the end of the hearing, juvenile court magistrate Michael Neal told court staff to take the 3 suspects back to detention because of their behavior. The reason why there's 3 is because I think those 3 that were old enough could be there. The other 2 that were too young were, who knows, somewhere else in juvenile daycare. I don't know. But I'll continue. The judge says, I don't think they were very interested. Okay? They've been sitting there like they've been sitting on a playground. After the hearing, defense attorney Michael Gibson, who is representing one of the suspects, said their behavior in court reflected their age. This is an honest, to me, point to make. Alright? We're dealing with children, and they might not appreciate or understand the seriousness of what happened. Now that, I think, is a fact, and I don't think Gibson is trying to save face there. He may be, but maybe it's a Freudian slip, because guess what? These kids are too young to really understand the consequences of their actions. Maybe they think this is TV, where they'll go away for a few years and come back. No. Somebody is dead, okay? And there has to be some kind of justice. These children aren't going anywhere for a very, very long time. And if they do, what does that say? That we make excuses? No, we cannot make excuses. This is a sad situation. I really feel bad for the family and for his band and his friends. I'll be praying for them. I hope you're praying for them too, because life is already hard enough. And to be smacked with a tragedy like this could really rock people. So please, pray for the Yartlett family and his friends and his band, that they can make it through and be comforted. And also, if you can find space in your heart, to pray for these 5 young kids, because their lives are going down a very, very dark road right now, and we hope that this doesn't destroy them forever. Even though they destroyed a life, we hope that there is redemption for them. So hey, I'm done. I'm not going to get on the soapbox. You can read the article from the link. Have a good day.